Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to work the Tunisian crochet. This is the basic stitch that we're going to learn in the next tutorial. Today we're going to see how to start working. Now this is an ordinary crochet hook, and this is a Tunisian crochet hook. As you can see, it is longer. The Tunisian crochet hook is longer, and in the end has a stopper, and that's because while working we have to work in two passes, so the forward pass and the return pass. And during the forward pass we have to keep the stitches on the hook. So if you have a lot of stitches, you could lose them, so this stopper keeps them on the hook. Now we're going to see how to start. You are going to need the yarn and the long hook. You make the slip knot, as we know, and we're going to make a number of chains to create a foundation chain. As we know, I'm going to make 15 chains. And 15. Now we're going to start the forward pass. So insert the hook in the second chain and pull out a loop and keep it on the hook. Go to the next, into the next chain, pull a stitch, a loop, and keep it on the hook. Into the next, insert the hook, pull a loop, and keep it on your hook. Into the next chain, pull a loop, into the next chain, insert the hook and pick a loop. Into the next one, insert the hook and pick a loop, keep it on the hook. Into the next one, pick a loop. Into the next one, insert the hook and pick a loop and keep it on your hook. Into the next one, insert the hook and into the next one, insert the hook and pick a loop, keep it on the hook again. Into the next chain until we finish all chains we have created, and again into the next and pick a loop, keep it on the hook. Into the next, into the next, pick a loop and keep it on the hook. This is the forward pass. As you can see, we keep all loops on the hook. Now we are going, do not turn your work, keep working this way. And now we're going to start working the return pass. The return pass is yarn over and work the first stitch yarn over, and from now on you work 2 stitches together. Yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops. And again, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops. The hook. Again, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops on the hook. And again, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops. Again, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops again. And again, yarn over and pass the yarn through 2 loops. And again, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops, and the last 2 1, yarn over and pass the yarn through the 2 loops. This is the beginning of the Tunisian crochet, and the next tutorial we are going to see how to work the basic stitch, this one. Remember, to work the Tunisian crochet technique, you need the yarn normally and a crochet hook longer than the ordinary one. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye.